Are you on? No.
Yeah.
Oh, you are. Okay, let's go. Shit. Oh. I thought I was going to save it.
I thought you were going to save it too.
It's just so heavy and goopy. Oh, that's awesome.
You were like good for like a half a second and then you got backwards.
Yep.
Oh my god, he's going up.
Where? Oh, wow. That's funny. And he's got it on tape?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. I thought, once I got my skis around, I thought, I'm good, I can switch and get back. And then one of my skis dug in. Went,
Yeah.
oh.
Your whole ski, I could see the entire bottom of it.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It dug in and I went, damn it. Is my camera clear?
Yeah. It's on right now.
It's on?